Hello, my beautiful angels. You're welcome back to class, our basic science class. It is still your class teacher, Miss Dara. Today we'll be looking into a topic, chemical change. Let's say it together, chemical change. Again, chemical change. Let's say it once more, chemical change. Chemical change is a change that produces a new material, and the new material cannot be turned into its original material. It occurs as a result of heat. That means that what causes it is heat. Examples: firewood. Firewood changes to ash and cannot go back to firewood. That is when maybe cooking with firewood, when firewood is burned, it cannot change back to firewood because after burning it changes to ash. And the ash, there is nothing you can do to bring it back to firewood. Number 2, bread dough. When heated, changes to bread and cannot turn back to bread dough. There is nothing you can do to it to bring it back to bread dough. Bread dough is sticky, but when you apply your heat, it changes and become what? Bread. And the bread have its brown color and cannot turn back to bread dough. That is the sticky form. Number 3, raw egg. Raw egg, when cooked, changes to solid and cannot be turned back to raw egg. When you apply heat on raw egg, it turns to solid and nothing you can do to it to bring it back to raw egg. Burning of pepper. When pepper is burnt, it cannot go back to pepper again. That means that a pepper burnt cannot be turned back to become a pepper. Once the pepper have turned to ash, there is nothing you can do to the ash to bring it back to its original form. Number 5, cooked food. Cooked food cannot turn back to become raw. Just as we said before, that chemical change are the change that cannot return back to its original form. There is nothing you can do to it to bring the new materials that are formed into their original materials. Therefore, when the food is cooked, you cannot bring them back to raw food, so they are considered as raw material. And others. Thanks for listening. I love you all and you are the best. Bye.